Hi guys, I'm just on my way back and I'm now in Beijing airport. It's never this empty and it was quite scary because on the flight everyone, including the flight attendants, is wearing masks. There are people wearing raincoats and wearing swimming goggles and stuff, but everything's alright. So don't worry, I'll see you guys soon. Just passed by the custom and they said there are risks for being rejected and sent back.
Capital International Airport would like to remind you of the following. Please wear a mask when you are outside. Wash your hands frequently and use other personal protection methods. We need cooperation when you are required to take your temperature. Thanks for your cooperation. Have a safe trip.
Getting ready for our comeback.
Comeback for?
We have to fit all this stuff into this little case and this big trolley case. This one is a good one because it can also work as a trolley while we're on the boat. Yeah. And it can be folded away. So it's a really good case. And thank you very much again, Dave. Now I wouldn't be scared going back because of that.
For those of you that don't know, it's a secret what it is.
Find out in the next video. I'm just a hoarder. And you are too?
Nadiana's stuff.
No.
My stuff.
Mark's stuff. Here. Mark's stuff.
It's a stressful time. It's a roll-up piano. Are you gonna miss us? Are you crying? I had an emotional goodbye with my family, but looking forward to getting back to the boat. I'm a bit worried about it, with it being left there, but we'll see how it is. Hopefully it's not too damp, and I'll be glad to get the whole boat cleaned up and sorted out.
I have the immune system for the emotional goodbyes already. What's your guys' thoughts on it? Because if you live in the same city, probably you wouldn't see each other for a long time because each of your families has their own stuff to do. So goodbyes are not goodbyes anymore. Not like at all times you need to sail away into the edge of the world that you don't know if you can come back or not.
One more train and then it's home time.
He just walked down a huge steep staircase with this bag on the back and this bag in hand. Hero.
I know, I'm such a hero. We came back to England with just our hand luggage, and we're coming back here with 2 hand luggages and 2 big 23 kilogram cases. Whoa, you can tell you're in Europe because look at this train. Ooh la la! And here's the boat. Oh! It looks fine. There's nothing looking too bad about it. I was worried. I had visions of it just being sunk in, but it's all good from the looks of it. Let's go.
Moment of truth. Look who we got.
We got a little cat friend.
We got a cat now. Is she like blocking the place?
No, it's alright.
No, but if I put... Alright, are you ready? Are you getting in? No, you're not getting in.
No, where are you going? Oh, cat's in.
Where are you from? You little chubby.
I think we can take this cat with us. He can be a Wildlings cat.
It's ours.
It's our new cat. What's your name? Huh? It's nice to be back, eh?
It doesn't smell too bad. Alright, let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, the battery's on. Oh, no battery.
Right.
Ooh! Oh,
Smells like memories.
mushy.
How does it feel? How does
Feels
it smell?
good. Yeah, it's amazing.
Musty either.
I need to take off my shoes though. Just as we were saying how good it is, then we're slowly discovering all these growing bacteria. And check this out. Oh my god. Look, we've got a cat in the bed in the boat. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Are you looking for rats? Oh, did you find your place on the boat? You coming with us? It's all the way in there.
Yeah.
But check out the mold on the quote.
Oh. Wow. Well, actually, that's because it's way.
Pew pew. Do you think the cat stuck in there? Inside where we put our old dinghy? Oh.
So we actually, on further inspection, we've realised that it's actually a lot mouldier than what we first thought. Everywhere's just got a little bit of mould, so we're sleeping out here. We need to do a lot of laundry tomorrow, and we need to do lots of wiping down and cleaning.
They're so close now.
Nadiana's jealous of the cat. Only you could get jealous of a cat.
No, but we've only met her. Look, you guys are like...
We're soulmates.
Yeah, like she knows you forever. Aww, that's so sweet. Are you not scared that we'll just kill you?
We've been shopping and we've bought some disinfectant and some antibacterial wipes. Hopefully it will do the job.
I wish if it's more sunny, then I would have more urge to air out the boat. But I just worry that once we get all the cushion out, it starts to rain again.
Yeah.
Alright. Look, our little friend's masterpiece
Yeah.
just from last night. And she's just chilling in there. What's wrong? Oh shit! Nice! Good that we got it back.
Alright, so here we are after a day of cleaning. Nadiana's cooking. It was actually a lot more mouldier than we thought it was, which we've already said, but this was all horrible, and
It's like everything that you find somewhere got mold on it.
yeah, like it had little black spots on it, didn't it, where it was
Mold,
where it was mouldy.
We're making something quick and easy, but not healthy. Just instant noodles with some veg and with some halal chorizo.
Day 2 of decluttering, demoulding, and this is the boat situation. Still a bit messy, but everything's been wiped down and all this space has been sorted out. Actually, it's just recently got messy again. Diesel heater. Le Chat is still here. Just things getting a bit tidier, and the day has been nice.
Today has been really nice.
One more day of cleaning and all that business, then find the diesel heater space. I can't find a space for it at the moment. I thought there was more space in the battery compartment, so maybe with a reshuffle we can do it like that in the battery compartment. If not, I'll have to rethink. And yeah, it's now officially our cat because we bought her some cat food. However, I'm not sure if we'll actually keep her, but for the next 10 days or a week she's going to be probably staying with us. The reason we're not going is because A, we need to do these DIY projects, might try and find some wood for the Samson post, and B is that the river is flowing very, very fast. I will go outside now and show you. A day done. We're gonna watch the Batman series.
Remember this?
What is it?
It's soy sauce, really cheap soy sauce we found in Chinatown in Paris.
I don't actually remember it.
Yeah, I got it because if we buy soy sauce in the Western supermarket, then like maybe this much would be the cost of this.
Yeah.
That's a tip for everyone who lives in the West.
Buy your soy sauce from the Chinese outlets.
Yeah.
So for the rest of the day we're going to sit down and watch Batman. Because we're going to watch Joker. We've heard that the film Joker's not actually related, but we want to watch the Batman just to get we want to watch the Batman to get a feel for it. The bedroom is not done yet. It's all just kind of in there. We've not fitted it yet. Just still getting a bit of air to it. You saw yesterday that flew into the water, so that's all dried out today. There's less space in there for the diesel heater, so I'm going to clear out these two and then hopefully put it in there. I've cleared out the V-berth again, and there is a lot of space actually. We've got our old jib, got another jib, got our spinnaker there which we're going to learn how to use, and there's the anchor chain. We get quite a lot of moisture coming in at the sides here, and that's what I think makes it a little bit nasty. So we are going to move a lot of stuff out of there into here, and then hopefully get some diesel heater space and free up some more useful space. Here comes a tanker, very slowly. Yeah, I don't fancy fighting that current yet. I'm trying to find a place. The problem's going to be fitting the diesel tank, and I don't think it's going to fit in here even when I take out the panel, so I think I'm going to have to find a different place for it. But have a look outside. Hey? Where have you been?
Covering up decorating our little space.
Covering up the mold.
Put it in nicer word.
Let's get a first impression. It's a bit trampy. Walking in. There'll be cushions in there. World to the left. Wales to the right. Nadiana's adding some final touches. Let's come in.
Da, 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 da.
Season 2 bedroom. Ooh, look at that. Looks a lot more cozy.
Those pillows are from Granny.
Yeah.
Granny's.
These are
amazing.
Granny's pillows, which she made for us.
So nice. I love those colors. Whoa, we're like ghosts. It feels good to have a bed and a lounge.
Yeah,
Don't you think?
I think so. And a cat.
We're the winner of life.
Yeah, winners of life. We're a right family now, aren't we?
Yeah.
In our little house with our new bed and our new cat.
Le chat.
The chat, one shot.
Hi guys, we would like to say a lot of thank yous, because after this time being through the virus actually made me feel how little control we have over our life, but also make me realize how amazing it is to be alive. So we really, I wanted to say thank you for you guys seeing what we see. Thank you for keeping us going longer.
So yeah, thank you to all these people. I'm sorry that I've written them down on my computer because I cannot remember everyone. Everyone's been so nice and supportive, especially Dave Curry, Lee Cudmore-Ray, Francesca Holbrook, Adi Shrikanta, Murray Reed, Michael Old, Joseph Di Marino, Maureen Morgan, Charles Burns, Nathan Fuller, Richard Boyce, Charles Hardy, John R. Ekins, Alex Towell, William Strainer, Paul Hudson, Chris Fleming, Easter Nada, Malcolm Lawrenson, Nico Reinhold, John Toms, Steve Halford, Claus Williken Koneman, Francis White, Stephen Howlett, and Doreen A. Rogabet. And also another one, N. Crab. So I'm sorry I didn't get your first name. But thank you so much. I'm not going to say what for, you know exactly what you've done. And also thank you to everyone who supports us. Ulf as well on the emails. He's going to send us some mass steps. So thank you so much. Nadiana's got her hand up. She wants to say something.
Yeah. I have a question. Does Mr. Hardy has any relation with Tom Hardy? Because he's my massive star crush.
Star Crash, yeah.
Crush.
So that is a message to what was it? Charles Hardy. Are you any relation to Tom Hardy? Because Nadiana fancies him, which makes me sad every day. But thanks for watching. See you in the next video where we're going to be installing a diesel heater. Thank you very much. Bye bye.